How many old cables are lying under our oceans, once used to carry electricity, now sitting as waste? What if we could take those cables, recycle them, and turn them into the building blocks of tomorrow's technology? That's exactly what a group of researchers from F3 NICE and Trentino Sviluppo and AMAZEMET have been working on. And their focus? Copper. Copper is everywhere, from our smartphones and cars to renewable energy systems like solar panels and wind turbines. But mining new copper comes at a high environmental cost. So here's the exciting part. Instead of digging more out of the ground, these scientists figured out a way to upcycle copper scrap into powder that can be used in additive manufacturing, better known as 3D printing. Here's how it works, in simple terms. They take scrap copper from old offshore cables, melt it down, and use ultrasonic vibrations to break it into tiny round particles, like metallic sand. This copper powder flows perfectly into 3D printers, which can then build new parts layer by layer. And the results? The recycled copper powder performs almost as well as brand new material. Even better, the process uses far less energy and has a much smaller environmental footprint. So, in short, waste copper is being given a second life, helping engineers design new components for energy, electronics, and beyond, without the heavy cost of mining. It's a beautiful example of a circular economy in action. Yesterday's waste becoming tomorrow's innovation. But here's something to think about. If we can upcycle copper this way, what other materials around us could be reborn into something new and useful? Thanks for tuning in to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to join us the next time as we explore more stories from the frontiers of engineering.